Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make Nashville hot sauce. Start by gathering cayenne peppers, paprika, brown sugar, apple cider vinegar, salt, and neutral oil. Roast or dry peppers to concentrate heat and toast spices briefly to release aroma. Blend peppers with vinegar until smooth, then strain if you prefer a silky sauce. Heat oil with spices and pour over the blended base to bloom flavor. Begin prep by toasting paprika and cayenne for just a minute to unlock their oils. Roast or char peppers to add smokiness, then blend with apple cider vinegar and brown sugar until smooth. Simmer gently to marry tastes and reduce any harsh vinegar bite. In a separate pan, warm oil and steep garlic and extra cayenne, then pour the hot oil over the blended sauce to bloom the spices and finish. Taste your sauce and adjust with small amounts of brown sugar if it needs balance. Add salt or a splash more vinegar to brighten the sauce, tasting after each change. If the heat is too intense, a touch more sugar or a dollop of butter on serving can tame it. Allow the sauce to rest at room temperature or chilled for at least an hour so the flavors harmonize before using on chicken or sandwiches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.